What's going on, folks? Welcome back to the Lawn Shark channel. So today we are going to take care of a few different issues that I am just trying to mitigate against for the summer. And the main concern that I have here is for moles. My other lawn, if you guys remember, I had a little bit of an armadillo problem. I don't see any armadillos in this new lawn, but I do see some evidence of moles, especially on the hill project that I just showed you. So the thing that we're going to do in order to prevent that is we're going to use this product here, which is GrubEx, and it's a really good product. It's meant to really take care of grubs early on in the spring when they're still in a larva state, because what you don't want to do is let them get to a mature state. If you wait too long to put down GrubEx, it's actually going to be less effective, so you definitely want to take care of it earlier on in the springtime. I'm actually probably a couple weeks a little bit too late to do it, but it's better now than later on, because I think I talked about a product, and I'll link the description of the video up in here. This is really a better product because it's granular. I can put it in my spreader and then it just takes care of everything. But the other reason why we want to take care of grubs is because grubs can be very destructive if you have some sort of an infestation in your lawn, because they do eat the roots in your grass and that will eventually kill your grass. So you want to take care of grubs for a multitude of reasons. My main concern again is moles, but it is also to make sure that they are not maturing and then taking over the lawn and then end up causing problems for my lawn. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put it down. This thing covers about 5,000 square feet. I've got just over 4,500 square feet, so it should be just enough for me to cover the entire lawn. And we will put it in my Scott spreader, and the setting for this thing is like a 3.5. So that should take care of everything, and we'll just go through and just take care of it real quick. So let's get to it. All right, folks, so that's pretty much it. We took care of that. It's just a nice little short video showing you that I'm putting down GrubEx. I highly recommend it if you guys have any concerns around grubs either eating your lawn up and your roots and killing your plants, or if you have some sort of a critter problem, especially with moles or armadillos or something like that. This product is actually done really well for me, and I do highly recommend it. Just a simple thing to put down, and it's really good as a preventative measure if you want to mitigate against those types of things. But as you can see, the lawn's looking really good. I still have not put down any herbicide on the lawn. I've been, pulling weeds with my little granddad's weeder. Again, don't say that real fast. We will put down some sort of herbicide now that it's getting warmer, and I'm pretty sure that the weeds are going to want to really start taking over. So we'll have to deal with that in a little bit more aggressive fashion, but I will limit the amount that I put down. But the weather has just been really wet, and so because of that, it just has kept me from really wanting to put down any kind of herbicide, because I'm afraid it's going to get washed away. The good news is that because it is going to rain tonight, this product, the GrubEx, actually does need to be watered in. So I'm pretty excited that we're going to get water, and I don't have to waste any water from my irrigation system, and we'll just take care of it from there. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and if you want to be notified of future videos, don't forget to hit that bell, and we will see you on the next one. Have a great week, everybody. See ya.